We are from Hinhua High School. Our product is called HIAS, which is short for Hyper Information Attendance System. HIAS is a system that makes the process of taking attendance automatic and efficient. We made this product for the use of our school. But first, let me introduce our team members. Our team consists of 3 of us: Goh Cheng Xian, Lim Jia Quan, and Tita Yu. The teachers overseeing this project are Mr. Ang Hock Hao and Mr. Meta Tan Yen Yu. In this video, we will first lay out the problems that our school currently faces. Secondly, we will state our aims, that is, the purposes for which HIAS is needed. And next, we will introduce the components that our device is made out of, as well as how exactly HIAS is able to solve the problems that we mentioned. And then we will conclude with emphasizing why HIAS truly matters, as well as our future hopes for this product. So we created HIAS as a way to solve a few critical problems with our school's attendance system. We see that it not only uses up a lot of paper, but also wastes a lot of time and effort on a daily basis. This is because our method of taking attendance is very complicated. This chart shows the traditional attendance procedure that to this day is still being used by our school. The class monitors of each class have to take the attendance book and the parent contact book from the discipline department every morning and then return to the classes to take attendance. After that, they will take the attendance book back to the discipline department, where the teachers will manually key in the data into the school system. Other than that, class monitors also need to write down the absentees' parents' phone numbers in the parent contact book to be passed to their respective form teachers, who will afterwards contact each parent personally. So we first came up with this idea of HIAS with these few main aims in mind. Our aims are to create a system that is easily installed and easily operated. Our idea of an ideal system is one that is completely automatic, as well as one that does not waste too much resources such as manpower, paper, and electricity.
After finding out the problems and setting an aim, we came out with a device, and you can refer it to the picture on your left. We use ESP32 as our main board. The main function of the RFID is to get the signal of the card when the card is detected. The use of the LCD is to display the student's check-in status. Battery is used to supply electricity for the ESP32, LCD, buzzer, and RFID to work as usual in an environment without electricity. Lastly, we use the buzzer to let the students know that his data has been recorded by ESP32. I think you might be curious about how it works. Okay, let us see the demo video. First, place the RFID card near the device, then you hear the sound of the buzzer, and the LCD will display the attendance status and the current time. Okay, now we will continue with the contact demo. When the system finds that there are absentees, the system will automatically notify the teacher via WhatsApp, and the system also will send the absentees data to the form teacher's Gmail. The form teachers can filter who they need to be informed. After filtering, the system will send out a message to the students' parents with the form teacher's contact number. This can help teachers to check with the parents the reason why the student is absent. When the server receives the data from our device, our system will import the student's attendance status to Google Sheet. Teacher can identify attendance status with colors. The absentees will be marked in red, and latecomer will be marked in yellow, and the students that come on time will be marked in green color. The absentees data will be sent to the teacher's Gmail. After the teacher clicks on the send button, a message will be sent to the student's parents. After tested our product for many times, we found out that our device will face a lost connection problem, and we came out with an idea of anti-connection loss system. With this system, our device can still work normally without Wi-Fi connection. If our device is not able to connect to Wi-Fi, the data that is received will be saved onto the SPIF file. When the connection is restored, the device will retrieve the data on SPIF and send it to our server. After we introduce our product that solves our problems, I would like to conclude some important details of our product.
When using our system can display exam student at any place that has Wi-Fi. The teacher also can direct contact student parents, which can help the school to reduce students skip class chance. Comparing our system to the original system, we are able to reduce 72 people in the attendance procedure. And the most exciting thing is that using our system, we can reduce 97% of time. Our advantage over other systems is that HIAS has a user capacity of more than 10,000. It is also much cheaper as it costs only around 19 per machine. Secondly, our machine does not need to be fixed on the wall, so we can just attach it to the power bank. It can be moved around easily. Our main goal is to contribute to the community. Besides that, we also aim to leave the result of our research as an open source on platforms like GitHub, so that people who face similar problems as us can have easy access to it. Lastly, using our system, which reduces paper, fixed our school motto of reuse, reduce, and recycle. Thanks for watching our presentation.